giving Roman some lunch. I have some, it's like a turkey and root vegetable squeeze pouch that is pre-made from Happy Baby. And then I mixed it with their oatmeal cereal. I've been having difficulties with Roman and the meat mixtured pouches, even the ones that I've made myself with organic meats. I don't know, he just doesn't really like them, but he actually does like this. He's still a little bit congested. I vlogged a little bit on Saturday, and the footage that I got, I don't know, it's not very good quality-wise. That's the only reason why I didn't put it up. And then Sunday, Roman was really sick. He had a really bad fever, and I couldn't get it to break, so I didn't go to the bridal shower. I just stayed home with him, and we just relaxed all day. We went to church, and he slept through that. And then we went to dinner afterwards, and he was really, at that point, he was better. He was feeling better. So, I'm just quickly going to say what we're going to do because my little car thing, it's getting really hot, and my little car thing is not sticking anymore. It's like just a slimy, I don't know, it's not going to stick. So, we're going to go to Michael's and get Robert some little wooden dowels that he needs. And then I'm going to go into Ulta for a little bit and just check out what's new. I haven't been there in a really long time. I'll probably do that first because I don't want to carry those rods around with me. I'm going to get a Starbucks, and I need to get cat food and cat litter, so I'll do that while I'm out too. And then I need to get groceries for the week. So I'll come back and go to the commissary for that.
Yeah.
Boogie. Hi.
That's trash.